Hello everyone, what's up? I hope that all of you are fit and fine. I am also doing great. Actually, I am now in a vacation. Our university is closed because of winter vacation. So I am now in my area. I try to explore several types of things, and today I explore these things. Okay, now I open my back camera and try to record a little portion of this. I think you can understand that this is a historical structure. Once upon a time, the landlord of this area, they actually lived in this building. This is the first floor and this is the second floor. So now the whole area is surrounded by several types of trees. That's why it's very risky to enter this building. But sometimes I see that some child, they actually used to play here and this compartment, but at this time no one is available. Look at this.
Hi guys, TikTok.
This is the bricks. They are very small. From the British Empire till now, it's still stand. Okay, look at this. This is very near to one of the road. Our general people, they actually use this road to go their market, but no one actually try to think about this structure. In the British Empire, actually the landlord, they lived a peace and wealthy life here, but now it's considered as the trash. I think I will able to capture another one structure which is very near to this, and this is in the opposite side of this road. Look at this. This is one mosque. This mosque is also historical, but the general people of this area, they try to rebuild this and they try to use this. That's why nowadays it's usable. But if we think about this, then this building is not usable. This is considered as the trash. Okay, that's a simple story. Actually, I am now going to one of my sister's home, and in this road actually I find out this two structure. That's why I open my camera and try to record this. I think all of you enjoyed, and I appreciate that you are watching my videos, and I wish you a best of luck. See you in the next video.